It was amazing. Have you ever seen a pumping device like this? The guy uses a simple coil and some magnets. I created a magical magnetic pump. It pumps 500 cubic meters an hour. The principle is simple. Like and follow. Let's see how it's made. First we need to prepare a section 40 centimeters long, galvanized steel pipe with diameter of 6 centimeters. Then mark the pipe with a pen. And then get 20 of these rectangular high-strength magnets. Then apply a layer of strong glue to the tube. Then they put the magnets one by one in a circle of tubes. Then wrap scotch tape around the outer ring of the magnet. And fix. Next, let's get a used-up tape coil and a roll of solid copper wire. Wrap all of the solid copper wire around the other tape coil. Make a coil like this. Next we need to test if the coil is working properly. Attach a 12-volt battery to the coil. You can see that the screw gets sucked up right away. That means there's nothing wrong with the coil. Loop the thread over the magnet of the steel pipe. When you're done, find a rectangular plastic sheet. Put the steel pipe on the plastic plate. Draw a circle at the bottom with a pen. Then run the utility knife along the edge of the circle. Cut out a circle. An electric drill is then used to drill 5 such holes into the plastic sheet. Then use a bicycle tube. Cut a circle the same size as the plastic sheet. Put it with the plastic plate. And put on the screws. Secure. So a check valve is done. Then plug the check valve into one end of the iron pipe. Seal the perimeter with sealant. Air leakage prevention. Let the glue dry. We fill the steel pipe with water. Try it. What's the effect? Only when the power is on, water sprays out of the steel pipe immediately. Does anyone know how this works? See here. It means that our magnetic pump is completely fine. To see if we could pump the water out of the well, we find several sections of PVC pipe and attach them to one end of the steel pipe. Then attach a filter to a long pipe. After loading the pipe into the well, and fill the tube with water. After the water is filled, connect the pump to the pipe. Finally we take out the 12-volt battery. The moment the power goes on, the water gushed out at once. Pump 400 cubic meters an hour easily. The pumping effect is no worse than that of a professional pump. What do you think of this magnetic pump? How does that work? Feel free to discuss in the comments section. Like and follow. The next one is even better.